Doug Leonard, heat number 2, as we work towards the duel on the dirt, yellow, yellow. That's a no start, and we're going to be very careful. We got a car up on the guardrail. Well, I don't know. The whole idea there was that the yellow was out, and they weren't noticing, and he got on the end of the guardrail and flipped it over.
Russ Davidson in the 53, Eric.
Russ Davidson's 53 gets inverted. He got up on the edge of the guardrail, and the St. John's ambulance crew moving again, as is Mikey Krutchka to go down there and survey the scene. So Russell got upside down. He just sort of rode the guardrail like a ramp and got the car upside down. It was a no start.
I'm down here, Eric. Yeah, he took a pretty good chunk of the
I have no idea, Eric.
The first couple, the 4 poles here, taken out. A couple more down the way by a flip. They're just working on getting him out. I think he's okay. I'll get back to you in 1 second. Yeah, he's out of the car. He's all right, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, definitely some damage down here on the guardrail.
Driver okay, Mikey?
Yeah, driver's okay. He's okay.
Okay, round of applause for him, everybody. Russ is A-okay. So it was a no start, and the yellow was out, and I guess some weren't paying attention because those boys were still racing pretty hard down the back straightaway.